Good morning, world. Welcome to day 2. I am sitting in traffic. I'm on my way to work. I really enjoyed editing the vlog yesterday and laughing at myself. I didn't have breakfast this morning. Every Wednesday, it's sibling fasting day. So we set aside wanting to eat food from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 in the evening so that we can commit to God through prayer and fasting, all our goals and our dreams and like our plans for the future, and commit up like everyone that's in our connect group and in the worship team that we serve with at Hosanna Church Brisbane. You won't see any food vlogs this morning / afternoon until tonight. Traffic is crazy here in Brisbane. I mean Centenary Highway. It's home time. It's 3. For some reason today I love doing diversional therapy work, but for some reason today I'm just really tired. And at 6 o'clock I open my fasting. My brothers and master. I hope everyone had an awesome day today, because I did. On our way to get a couple of groceries, do some shopping, and what are we gonna get? I'm gonna get a kebab. I opened my fasting when I got home, and I had cashew nuts, a large cup of tea, and I had a tuna and avocado sandwich. And I'm gonna go get a kebab.
I have to tell you something.
You didn't fast? You're kidding. She forgot our sibling fast. Shows who the true siblings are.
Excuse me.
Hey sis. Or you can plead your case.
It was because I was staying back the extra 2 hours for my study, so I needed the extra energy, so just
Yes, she studies hard. Times like this you need a drone. Check this out. God's beautiful creation. So beautiful. That backdrop though. What do we want, sis? So we're supposed to have a kebab aces, but kebab is closed.
Thanks.
Yep. So we're gonna have sushi. Woohoo!
Just casually having a conversation.
Water is an essential to life. It's Wednesday night, so it's practice night. Socks. Just got home, picked up mum from work and bought batteries to the scale so I can weigh myself and unembarrassingly post it up in my vlog so that you can know where I'm at and hope alongside with me that it won't be where I will be in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to go for a walk. These socks. I'm going to go for a walk with Leash. Yay. I didn't even know I'm in the bathroom. But I'm here picking up Leash from her home. So we're going to go for a walk. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Work, 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 work. Oh, I'm trying to get into the zone of this walk. Yay, we're so excited.
It's a bit crazy.
How are you, Leash?
I'm cray-cray.
Just a tad. It is a bit cold, eh?
Oh, that's why we're walking.
It's a bit chilly.
1
What
degrees.
chill?
1 degree. My babies to say, I have a cross. John 3:16 right at my front door, so it's not like I'm hiding it.
Hey, we're doing really well on this walk, by the way.
Oh man, we're doing awesome.
We are.
Actually, I forget we're walking.
I know, because we're just talking about life. We're almost home. We've done at least, you think 6Ks?
Yep.
Okay. Power walking of doom. Our theme song is started from the bottom, now we're here. I'm back from our cool walk. It's always cool to go for a walk with Leash. We go twice a week, so once in the middle of the week at night time, and then in the morning, Saturday mornings up the mountain. We've been training partners for the last couple of years. She looks good, but you know, the likes of us are still like not really making any progress. Coming to the end of this vlog for day 2. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with my daily vlogs. What am I doing now? I'm currently editing this vlog. I love doing this stuff. I love it. It's just so awesome. Tomorrow I will be weighing myself and posting up the vlog again, unembarrassingly, how much I weigh, so that the whole world knows how much I weigh. And I'm not really embarrassed about it, because the goal is not to get back to that weight. Remember, the goal isn't weight loss. The goal is health. Weight loss is just a benefit of living a healthy lifestyle. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, you are definitely the hero in the mirror.